We're at Mobiliser Fit, and this is a Starline Pro on a Kia Niro HEV. This one's a 72 plate hybrid. So the way it works, if a thief does a relay attack on the key, try to steal the vehicle, try and start it up, it's just not going to start. So for the customer, they can either go through a push sequence using the steering wheel buttons of their choosing, or they can pair their phone up. So with the steering wheel buttons, we'll double tap the ignition, pop a code in, wait for the disarm tone, now it's going to start. Put on the brake, start the vehicle, we can drive it. If they don't want to use a push sequence, they can pair their phone up through Bluetooth, so we'll just turn the Bluetooth on. Now when they get in the vehicle, disarm tone straight away, they can select their gear and drive, no need to do a code, the phone does it all for you. This has an adjustable range that's set by us on installation, so as you get in the vehicle it disarms, as you leave the vehicle it arms. If you want to take it for a service, you can do a simple press and hold in the app on the phone, or if your phone's not around, you've gone there to get your car serviced, forgotten about your car, forgotten your phone, and you just do it with the buttons. The way you'll do it is once it's set after 10 seconds, you'll turn the ignition on, go through your push sequence to prove that it's you. Now we'll press one of the buttons 11 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll turn the ignition off and back on and we'll get 2 bleeps. Now it's in service mode. This basically means you can just give Kia the key. It's going to act like a normal vehicle as if there's nothing fitted to it. It's going to go into gear and just behave like a normal car. When you get it back from them, to turn the system back on, what you're going to have to do is ignition on, go through your code. Just do that again, that might have been a bit quick. So ignition on, do your code, left, right, we have set. 2 bleeps brings it out, and after 10 seconds of the ignition off, it's going to be secure again. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This one pairs to the phone, has a push sequence. A thief tries to steal it, you'll see it doesn't start up, doesn't go to ready. It's looking for your PIN code using the buttons on the steering wheel or the Bluetooth from your phone. Once again, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.